Welcome to a Quantum Sound Reiki Chakra Aligning and Balancing Meditation. My name is Heather Hannan, and I am a Quantum Sound Reiki Master Teacher. The chakras are energy centers which regulate the energy flow to all areas of the body, and they constantly move and vibrate. The 7 main chakras are aligned from the base of the spine to the top of the head and are associated with specific organs, colors, and levels of consciousness. The chakras are like an orchestra. When one instrument is out of tune, the sound of the rest of the orchestra is affected. For instance, if we have a block in our 5th or throat chakra, it can result in us having trouble expressing ourselves verbally or speaking our truth. This can also show up physically as a sore throat or tightness or even a cough. The Sound Reiki Chakra Aligning and Balancing Meditation will align and balance all your chakras to 100% divine light so that they are working in balance and harmony with each other. At this frequency, one's physical, emotional, mental, and spiritual bodies vibrate to health, happiness, and peace. Have a glass of water nearby to drink before and after the meditation. Sit or lie comfortably with your palms open and facing up. Close your eyes and focus on my voice. Once the meditation is over, stay in this relaxed state. I will mind the time until you are ready to slowly come back and open your eyes. Let's begin. It is my intent to create a quantum configuration chamber of light and love around all levels and aspects of your being now. I ask the source of all that is of divine love and light to now upgrade, align, and activate all your chakras to 100% divine love and light so that they are all working together in balance and harmony, aligned to the highest possible divine reality of your health and well-being now. Thank you. Slowly come back. Bring your awareness back to your body. Take a deep breath. Feel your hands. Feel your feet. And when you are ready, slowly open your eyes. Have a blessed day.